Hey, it's Vincent from Motorwork. Today I'm going to go over a few things we found on this 2013 McLaren MP4-12C. The customer brought the vehicle in for an inspection prior to selling the vehicle. He wanted to make sure it was all 100% and ready for the next buyer to enjoy. So first thing we did was put the vehicle up in the air. We removed some of the under trim panels, and that allowed us to have access to have a look at the engine and see what's going on. So once we got the vehicle up in the air and dismantled some of the under paneling, we discovered some corrosion on some of the aluminum you can see here. This prompted us to dismantle a little bit further and figure out sort of where it's coming from. We removed the side heat exchangers and all the paneling obviously to get at that. And in doing so, we discovered a leak at the top of the side heat exchangers on both sides. So as you can see on this heat exchanger here, this is one of the side mounted heat exchangers. A leak has begun to form right at the top. So rather than just replace this, we're going to send it to a local shop and see if they can repair it for us, support local business. So along with the coolant leaks that we found on the McLaren, this vehicle also had a bit of an oil leak. So removing this hose from the oil reservoir to the engine block, we discovered that these O-rings are a little bit squished and likely causing a leak. So apart from replacing the O-rings, we would also like to get this line pressure tested just to ensure there's no leakage from the crimp fitting at the end of the hose. So as you can see here, right where that hole is connected to the engine block from the dry sump reservoir, we had an oil leak form, and that's caused some staining on the engine block. So as you can see, we had a lot of fun working on this McLaren. Thank you to Dan for bringing it in for us, and I hope to see you guys again.